My daughter told us about this Allswell mattress. So we went by Walmart and we read all the information about it. But my biggest concern was, will it work with the adjustable bed that we have? You know, we've had this bed for about 10 years and we've had this mattress that we got for about 10 years. And it is the foam memory mattress that we had. So we decided we're going to go ahead and purchase this one right here. And you know me, I done did a lot of reviews and I looked at a lot of videos, but we decided to get this 10-inch hybrid Allswell memory foam and coils. And the problem, I thought that it wouldn't be good for adjustable, but after we did all our research and found out that you can use it for adjustable beds. So we got this thing out and it doesn't take long to put it up. And we slept on it for a few nights, and I tell you what, it's pretty comfortable for the price. And I had to make sure it do adjust, and it did. And for the price we paid for it, it's worth it, because the last mattress we had, we bought 10 years ago, which it cost us about $3,000, and it was very hard to get in and out of that bed with that memory foam. But this one got a few springs in it, and they're individual springs, so it is good for your adjustable beds. And I like it, my wife like it, and I don't wake up stiff anymore. But if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.